Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the Information Systems Auditing class. Before we start auditing the accounting cycles using GAS, we'll start with the ACL tutorials, ACL in practice. We're going to use the metaphor corporation case. Um, let's look at the case first. We have the introduction. Okay, examine employee data. This is basically what you have done in your homework, so playing statistics and trying to find gaps and something like that. So we will start with setting up with our project. Okay, let's look at here. Okay, start your project in ACL. Okay, create project in ACL. Select file, new project, ACL tutorial metaphor, and click save. Okay, this seems easy. Okay, file, new project, and then just put it somewhere else. Click new here, ACL practice. Okay, uh, metaphor case. Let's just say like that. And then save. Okay, welcome to data definition wizard. Okay, let's see. Let's come back to the tutorial. Okay, yeah, the data definition wizard. So the tutorials ask me to import some of the files as tables. There are several different types of files here. Let's start with the first one. Import credit card metaphors.xls. So this is an Excel worksheet. Okay, in the wizard, select next, select file to define, and then look in the folder here, and then double click the credit card metaphor XLS. Next repeatedly to progress through the wizard. ACL makes the correct selection, so you do not have to change anything. And then save data file as dialog box appear, enter credit card metaphor, credit cards metaphor, and then save. Okay, that's right. Okay, here and then next. I think this next, right? Disk. Next. Look at the data, not here. Um, here. The data sample file. Look at credit card metaphor. This one, Excel file. And then just go next. Excel file. It's automatically detect Excel file, and then next. And it says next again, right? And then I save it as document practice here. Credit card metaphor. Okay. Phone and save. We're done here. Okay, title change save as credit card metaphor. Okay. It opens up the file. Let's go back to the tutorial. Next is import transaction April XLS. But hang on, let's look at what here. Just the same procedure. New file table. File new table. Okay, here again, same. Let's look at the XLS. What was it? Transaction in April. Transaction April XLS. same, next, save as, full save as, same, transaction echo. Oh, uh, put it on this one, transaction April, done, finish. Okay, let's continue it. Okay, now it's a text file. Import in unacceptable codes text file has two columns, title codes and description. The field entries are separated by tab characters. Okay, so what we have to do here is same acceptable codes and then next. But in here on the file format in the data definition, we have to choose the delimited text file, right? And then on the delimited file properties, we have to select tab as the field separator column, and then use the first row as field names. Okay, and then next step as unacceptable codes, the edit field property screen. On the wizard open, you can change the type of the data in each field. ACL has made assumptions about the data that are not necessarily correct. Okay, so we have to edit it. The code field is selected by default. Select ASCII text, yeah, for the code field, and then on the description also ASCII text. So it's already in ASCII text, so we do not need to make changes. And next, and okay, then save as. Okay, let's try it. Um, Here again, same file, new table. Next, uh, next, and then we'll look at the ACL practice here. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Go to share data sample unacceptable codes. Unacceptable codes. Okay. Next, choose the delimited. Okay, it's not here. Delimited text file. Next, change the field separator with tab. Start on line 1. Okay, so it's already been delimited. And then use first row as field name, so code and description. Okay, we have to check this one. So code and description as the column name, right? Okay, and then if I'm not mistaken, we're going to choose next and save it as unacceptable code. Yeah, save in actual practice. Actual practice. Done. Okay, let's look at this first. Okay, name code. Okay, this should be as key text. Key text here. Okay, so and then the description. It's already as key text. So this is now we are correct. And then next and done again. Yeah. And I think all you need to do is to follow all the tutorials here. There are text files, there are Excel files. Some I think there's also already a field file maybe, and you have to do to all of the files that is put in the there's a CSV, comma separated files, and there are some here. Okay, yep. Then I'm going to fast forward so you can skip this. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 files, here. Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then save project or save open project. Click the save open project. Okay, and then save file, save project. I'm done.